Be strong.
Hi everyone, I'm Mansi. Welcome to my channel. Please subscribe and stay updated. In this video, I'm going to show you the basic differences between consumer buying behavior and business buying behavior. So, the basic meaning of consumer buying behavior refers to actions and decisions of people who buys goods and services for personal consumption. And here, business buying behavior refers to understanding the needs and wants of business and purchases in order to make the company's profit, right? And the next point is one-to-one participants. And here in business buying behavior, multiple participants are there, right? And third point is low structured, and in business buying behavior highly structured as compared to consumer buying behavior. So the size of consumer market is big in consumer buying behavior, and the size is very small as compared to consumer buying behavior. And the next point is less sophisticated, and here in business buying behavior it is more sophisticated, right? And the next point is customer is located in different geographics, right? And in business buying behavior specific geographics customers are located. And the next point is relationship end with remote transaction through the retailers, not the wholesalers, right? In business buying behavior one-to-one relation with customer are there, and consumer buying behavior is very flexible and it is rigid, right? And here wide concept because it influences perceptions, age and everything. And here narrow concept because it influences organizing environmental factors. And here consumer purchases for personal use in consumer buying behavior, and in business buying behavior they purchases either for resale or to sell, right? Thanks a lot for watching this video. Kindly please subscribe, and it will very helpful for you to understand and score well. Please do subscribe and don't forget to click the bell icon. Thank you so much. Bye.